A little birdie told me you like this wig but you don't know how to make it. You're in luck, you found me. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube page. For those of you that are new here, I'm a pro ventilator and I teach how to ventilate beginners friendly. So click on that subscribe button and turn on notification bells. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this full frontal braided with using French curl extensions. For that, we're going to be needing our wig cap, our leave-in conditioner, our frontal lace, our net, our elastic band, French curl extensions. The client wanted 3 of these, so these were the colors she chose. I don't know about you, but I like to give my frontal net realistic hairline, so I do this on all my frontal net for ventilating. If you'd like to know how to do this, I can make a separate video on it. For the 3 frontal ventilation, I'll be using hair blend. I've already started ventilating, so let's go over it again. You pick 2 to 3 strands of hair, you pass it under the loop and you knot. I'm using single knotting pattern for this ventilation in an horizontal vertical method, so it will look uniform and it will give me the box shape I need for braiding. So I'm going to let you watch the video now, and anywhere that needs to be explained, I will do that. As a beginner, you can draw box lines that will guide you while you're ventilating. When I'm done with each box, I plait it down so it will be easier and faster for me while I'm braiding. Here I'm done with 2 already and I'm down to the last one. We can start braiding now. I've gotten my mannequin head and my wig cap, and so I'll just be putting this on the mannequin head. You get your full frontal ventilated net and you want to sew this down neatly like this on your wig cap. You get your bundles. Mind you, French curl extension tangles a lot, so when you want to detangle this, you get water and put leave-in conditioner, like enough leave-in conditioner, and then you detangle. So before you use it to make hair, you soak it in, let there be enough moisture in it, and then you use it to braid. So you get your crochet pin and get the quantity that you want and pass it under. You create like a hole under it and pass it. What you can do to be faster is that you get, before braiding, you get all the quantities you want, like 10 or 5, and you just put it inside. Then you get another section and you use them to braid. This is the final look you are. I really like how the coils came out. It's very beautiful. These are the other wigs the client ordered, and the hairblend I used did justice. It made the ventilation look lighter. Everything I pictured this wig to be, that's how it came out. All packed and ready to be delivered to our beautiful UK client. If you like this wig and you still don't know how to do it yourself, use the WhatsApp number there and feel free to make orders. And for those of you that stay to the end of this video, you're the real MVP. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye.